Scientists just confirmed there's more water hiding on the moon than anyone dared to believe, and it's about to make humans living there a reality. Here's what nobody's telling you. NASA's Artemis program isn't just about planting flags and taking photos. It's about building a permanent human presence on the moon. And the single biggest obstacle was always water. You can't survive without it. You can't make rocket fuel without it. And hauling it from Earth costs millions per kilogram. So if the moon was dry, we were finished before we started. But the moon is not dry. Recent data from NASA's SOFIA telescope and India's Chandrayaan missions revealed water molecules locked inside mineral grains across the lunar surface, not just hiding in permanently shadowed craters at the poles, but scattered across sunlit regions too. That's a game changer nobody saw coming. Here's the physics that makes this insane. The moon has no atmosphere to protect it. Solar winds blast the surface constantly. By every rule we thought we knew, that water should have vaporized and vanished billions of years ago. But it didn't. Scientists now believe the water is being continuously regenerated hydrogen ions from the solar wind, reacting with oxygen in lunar soil, creating freshwater molecules in real time. The moon is literally making its own water, right now. As you watch this, and at the South Pole, permanently shadowed craters sit at -250 degrees Celsius, colder than Pluto. Water ice, delivered by ancient comets, has been sitting there, completely preserved for billions of years. NASA's LRO spacecraft mapped these deposits. Some craters contain hundreds of millions of tons of ice. Now connect this to Artemis. The planned Artemis base camp sits near the lunar South Pole, not by accident. Engineers can extract that ice, melt it, filter it, drink it, split it into hydrogen and oxygen using solar power, and you've got breathable air and rocket propellant manufactured directly on the moon. That's called in situ resource utilization, and it means a moon base could be self-sustaining. No resupply missions carrying water. No dependency on Earth for survival. The cost math is staggering. Getting 1 kilogram of water to the moon from Earth currently costs around $50,000. The South Pole craters potentially hold enough ice to support a permanent lunar colony for centuries. This isn't science fiction anymore. NASA has already tested water extraction hardware. Commercial companies are building lunar drills right now. But here's the twist that keeps scientists up at night. We still don't know exactly how accessible this water is. Some of it is mixed into regolith, the loose, rocky soil at concentrations of maybe 100 parts per million. That's not a lake. That's damp dirt. Extracting usable quantities requires energy, equipment, and technology we're still perfecting. The discovery is real. The challenge is enormous. And there's something even wilder. If water exists on the moon in these quantities, it almost certainly exists on Mars, on asteroids, across the entire inner solar system. Water might be the most common resource in space, which means every future human outpost on Mars, on Europa, in deep space, could potentially live off the land instead of depending on Earth. The moon just became humanity's gas station. And the Artemis generation is the crew about to fill up the tank for the first time in human history. If this blew your mind, smash that like button right now. It takes 1 second and it means everything to this channel. Subscribe to Stellar Bright Zone and hit the bell so you never miss the discoveries reshaping our future in space. Drop in the comments, do you think humans will actually live on the moon in your lifetime? Let's debate it. See you in the next one.